My one question to you is, the student on your right-hand side, has he learnt a lot with Dance with Madhuri? Has he become better than any of the dancers across the world? Because I saw the moves. I've been seeing that you're following it.
Well, I tell you, he is a natural dancer. He requires a larger floor to dance. I mean, it's like hat jao, you know. But it's wonderful. And he's a natural, and you will see him maybe do a little. He says, no, I'm a doctor. Don't make me dance. But here he is.
You know, Dr. Nene, you know, I could see the passion with which you were talking to me before the event. It clearly shows that how you're involved, not only with what she does, but also because you believe in it completely. And now we've also been told about your dancing prowess, that you need big dance floors like this. Before we continue, would we expect you as a teacher on this platform as well?
I'll leave it to the audience for that one. But it's an absolute honor and pleasure to be here. And I want to take the first time to thank Sugato and his team and the choreographers and everyone else for making this possible. To answer your question, I think everyone has a small kernel of genius. And the idea is they don't always have the access. The Amjanta in the farthest reaches should have the access to masters like her and him and everyone else, because everyone deserves to learn. And the real question is not where Madhuri Dixit is now. Where's the next Madhuri Dixit coming from? Where's the next Terence Lewis coming from? Our vision is simple, that can we teach the world to dance together and make it a better place and build on a dialogue of love instead of some of the other things that are going on these days. But the bigger thing that we've found is that we actually can, and in partnering with Videocon D2H, we're going out to 18 million homes, 90 million people, and the last mile equation so that they can all learn from the masters. And so for us, it's very exciting to be here. And I think the outcomes you'll see, whether these kids become Bollywood stars or they go on to dance in a production, or they just do it for fun in a shadi, the idea is to bring everyone together around something which they love. And so it's a real honor to be here, and we're absolutely proud of partnering with Videocon D2H, one of the fastest growing DTHs in the country. And like he said, when you have a population of users, which is greater than the population of some of the countries in Europe, it gives you pause. And so with that, I'll leave it to you.
And Madhuri Dixit on my left-hand side, my life's made, yeah?
Yeah. So Madhuri ji, you are as Siddharth said, you are the most mesmerizing face of the dance arena in Bollywood in India.
So can I correct you? Not only Siddharth says, the world says that.
Yeah,
Continue.
right. Sure. So Madhuri ji, when you just look back to the history, to your journey as a dancing sensation to a dancing diva, and an iconic actor in the history of Bollywood, what sort of recognition you have felt in getting the awards and accolades for your dancing abilities, for your dancing skills?
Before you take that, I request you all to please take your seats and be very, very comfortable. Yes. So, Madhuri, your reply to our gentleman there.
Good afternoon to you. Yeah, I mean, I look back with fondness, with happiness. I think whenever you have success, somebody said that success is just 2% genius and 98% hard work. And that's what it was. It was 98% of hard work. I used to work on every little detail, whether it was a scene for my acting bit, or whether it's dances. I used to work with the choreographers and rehearse and try to make every dance look different from the other. So I think I look at it very happily. I look back on my life, and I'm very, very grateful to God for where I am, and I'm very blessed, and I'm thankful, always.
And Madhuri, among the current breed of actors, whom do you see stepping into your shoes? Whom do you admire for their dancing skills?
Yeah, I mean, we have a lot of very good ladies who do some very good dancing. There's Priyanka Chopra, there is Deepika, who's very graceful, Aishwarya Rai, there's Kareena Kapoor, Sonakshi Sinha has a flair for dancing. So all these ladies, they all get their own little, characters into what they do, and it's lovely to watch them.
But for us, there's only one Madhuri Dixit, all right? Next question, please. Ma'am there, hi.
Hi, this is Sohail.
हाय माधुरी जी, मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि जो डांस मतलब इतना आपके हिसाब से हर किसी में है, लेकिन आजकल जो क्लासिकल डांस है उसका बहुत कम लोगों में असर देखने को मिलता है. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपने वो सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे स्टेज पे आज दिखे, जो ग्रेस और जो वो चीज़ देखने को मिलती है क्लासिकल में. कितना ज़रूरी है किसी भी डांसर को क्लासिकल डांस पहले सीखे फिर बाकी डांस सीखे.
Well, क्लासिकल डांस तो फाउंडेशन है डांस का, क्योंकि उसमें आपको सब कुछ सिखाया जाता है. फुटवर्क है, आपके तत्कार जिसे कहते हैं, आपके हैंड्स के मूवमेंट्स हैं, मुद्राएं हैं, बॉडी मूवमेंट है, अभिनय है, तो सब कुछ है एक डांस में. और अगर आप क्लासिकल सीखते हैं तो उसके बाद आप कोई भी डांस स्टाइल पिकअप कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि आपका बेसिक जो सेंस ऑफ रिदम, सेंस ऑफ डिसिप्लिन बॉडी को जो चाहिए, और सेंस ऑफ इमोटिंग, आप ये सब कुछ सीखते हैं क्लासिकल में. दैट्स वाई डांस विद माधुरी पे देयर 35 डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स ऑफ डांसिंग. और ना कि सिर्फ वेस्टर्न डांसिंग है, बॉलीवुड डांसिंग है, इंडियन क्लासिकल भी है जो महाराज जी ने खुद सिखा रहे हैं. कथक के जो देयर इज नो वन बेटर देन हिम फॉर कथक, और भरतनाट्यम है. सो देयर इज क्लासिकल एज वेल.
Hi, Madhuri ji. Congratulations to you all. Just needed to know कि how exactly does it really work, like इसमें किस तरह से ये working होगा. और हमने जो देखा था कि जो dance form है, where is teaching actually, it's in English. तो how many languages also are there in?
There is Hindi and there is English. Both languages are there.
माधुरी मैडम,
और एक मिनट, मैंने आंसर नहीं किया अभी तक. कैसे D2H पे कैसे आएगा ये आप पूछ रहे हैं मुझसे?
Yeah, the
It's
entire.
just a phone call away. और ये क्वेश्चन मैं जरूर
There's a free preview period till the 22nd of May, after which there will be a missed call number. You just have to subscribe by calling a missed call number like you would subscribe to any other channel. It's very simple. It takes about 5 seconds. As long as there's a ring on the other side, it's automatically provisioned, and you will be able to get Madhuri with 2 clicks of the button at your home, along with her entire team teaching you dance at 45 rupees a month at a very affordable price. And we were talking to Dr. Nene, and he said that the vision Madhuri and he has is to take dance to the last household. And with just 2 clicks at 150 rupees a day, you can have Madhuri and the entire galaxy of teachers coming to your home. So we feel it's a very strong value proposition.
Yeah, Madhuri ji, how have you designed the program also, like from age restriction also, if you call, like have you categorized your age? किसी को सीखना है डांस तो एज रेस्ट्रिक्शन भी है इसमें या
नहीं,
फिर
इसमें
it's
कोई
from-
एज रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. कितने भी साल के आप हों आप सीख सकते हैं, whether you are 3-4 years old or whether you are more than that, 60 or 70. There's no age restriction. It also depends on your fitness level, how much you can do. लेकिन डांस तो आप ज़रूर सीख सकते हैं किसी भी एजेस, across all ages.
Hi, Madhuri.
माधुरी
ma'am.
मैडम,
Excuse me.
Just one last
There's Mr. Dr. Nini wants to add to it.
So, आपको question बहुत अच्छा है. The issue is this, that how do you teach people, right? And so we have a team that gives you almost accredited content, which basically breaks it down. So there's no age barrier. If you're 5 or you're 80, you can still dance. And in shadis, you see it all the time. And so we've designed content for every level of consumption. We have things for kids, we have Bharatanatyam, we have Kathak, we have contemporary, at different levels, beginning, intermediate, and advanced. So the beauty of this on this platform is it's basically organized, so you have offerings every day, you know what they are in advance. But throughout our universe where we offer it, the idea is to give everyone the ability to dance. And again, she's saying not everyone should be doing something at 500 steps per second. But at the same time, everyone can dance, and it's just a matter of getting them to.
माझा प्रश्न माधुरीजींना आहे. प्रश्न असा आहे की आता जे इथे डान्स झाले ते सगळे वेगवेगळ्या प्रांतातले प्रतिनिधित्व करणारे डान्स होते. पण आज तुमचा जो शुभारंभाचा सोहळा होता आहे तो मुंबईत होता आहे. लावणी ही महाराष्ट्राची शान आहे. लावणी ही महाराष्ट्राची शान आहे. मुंबई ही केवळ ओळखली जाते ती महाराष्ट्रासाठी, आणि महाराष्ट्र ओळखला जातो मुंबईसाठी. आणि आज इकडे सुरुवात होत असताना लावणीला प्राधान्य दिलं गेलं नाही, तर लावणी हा क्लासिकलमध्ये मोडत नाही का?
लावणी हा फोक आहे. इट्स नॉट अ क्लासिकल डान्स, इट्स अ फोक डान्स. पण ऑफकोर्स लावणी हे म्हणजे मी परफॉर्म पण केलेली आहे लावणी ऑन झलक दिखला जा आमचा जो फिनाले होता त्याच्यावरती. आणि इट्स अ व्हेरी व्हेरी इंडियन, व्हेरी व्हेरी महाराष्ट्रीयन फॉर्म ऑफ डान्सिंग. तर नक्कीच आम्ही शिकवणार आमच्या वेबसाईटवर, कारण त्याच्यावरती वी हॅव फोक डान्सेस ॲज वेल. वी हॅव नवरात्रीसाठी म्हणजे गरबा आणि असे सगळे डान्स स्टाईल्स आहेत त्याच्यावर. तर त्याच्यामुळे लावणी पण नक्की आम्ही शिकवणार 100%.